Good morning from the Pine Mountain Railway. Today we're going to be fixing a small problem that's cropped up on my 2015 Dodge Ram pickup. I just had the service electronic throttle message come up. The most common fix to this is change out the accelerator pedal positioning sensor, which is basically the gas pedal and the computer box attached to it. When this message comes up, your truck goes into safe mode and you only get half the horsepower and it does not feel very good to drive. I picked up this used one on eBay for a very good price. All the newer cars have these things and they're not hard to change out. On my truck you will need to take off two 10mm nuts and the wiring harness. You will need the long extension to get at the top nut because it's way in the back. After I got the pedal changed out, I plugged the truck into my PowerGate 3 personal programmer and deleted the error code. I got my truck back to full power after that. Thanks for watching.